Next on the list is the 1970 Mercury Cyclone hardtop.
Yeah.
Cyclone
sounds like a whirlwind of energy.
Dark ivy green metallic over saddle, long-term ownership, a rare Mercury muscle.
Yeah, they are.
You don't see a lot of Mercury muscle. Correct 429 4-barrel V8 and a correct C6 3-speed automatic. When we say correct, you know what we mean. Not the original.
That's right.
It's era correct.
No car has a front end fascia like the Mercury Cyclone. It's really unbelievable.
And it also has the Deluxe Marty report. So that tells you what the car was born with. Not what it generally necessarily has now, but what it was born with when it was new. And they can get it down to, it was one of one that had an AM radio that the second button didn't go in and out. I mean, it's like they can make it one of just about anything.
Pretty much.